Alright, so guys, I'm Emmanuel from Access Forex. So I've just noticed that a lot of people actually don't know how to use the MetaTrader 4 platform. So I've noticed that on the internet there are actually not a lot of videos explaining the platform, how to use it, how to place trades, how to put your stop loss, and you take profit, all that. So I'm just going to explain all that just in a short video. Okay, so basically, when you open your app, it starts off like this. So I just re-downloaded the app so everyone can check out how it starts up and everything. So it automatically opens a demo account for you with 100,000. So yeah, basically on your bottom tab of the screen, you've got your code section. So this is the area where we have our currency pairs, codes and everything. And then right next to it on the right side is our chart tab. So you click on that, it takes you to whichever chart you're on at the moment. And then right next to it again is your trade section. On your trade section, that actually shows you your amount and your running trades, your equity, margin, free margin, and margin level. And then right next to it is your history. So here you've got options, whether you want to see your history for a day, week, month, or custom history. So right now I'm on the daily history, and then right next to that at the top tab we've got our weekly. So if you click that, it will show you your weekly history. Then the one next to it is your monthly. So if you click that, it'll show your monthly history. And then right there is custom is where you can set a custom history. So if you want to see stuff for like a specific day, let's say 28 November until now, you can do that. So you just use custom, tap here, and then go to 2018 November 28th. Yeah, and that's showing us our history from that date. And then here's your settings tab. So this is what shows you your broker. So for those that actually want to add new brokers that ask how do I link my broker to my account, what you simply do is press this plus button, and you'd already made your brokerage account online with any broker. I suggest XM. So you just make your account with XM, they'll email you the details, and then all you do is go to log into existing account, search for xm.com. So now, as you guys can see, there's a lot of XMs here. So they usually give you the server that you're supposed to log on to. And these servers are like Real 23, Real 3, Real 30. So whichever Real they gave you, then that's the one you're supposed to log into. So you just click the one, put the details they gave you and your password, and then it should sign you in. Then your whatever amount you deposit should pop up with your balance, and whatever equity you have should pop up there too. So another thing I want to show you guys in the settings is how to actually change how the graph looks. Because, okay, mine is already changed to blue and yellow candlesticks, but it starts off like this. Let me show you how it starts off. It should start off like this. Yeah, it should start off like this. So if you want to change it, basically what you just do is go to charts, colors, and then I personally prefer my grid being white. So I just remove my grid, make it white, and then bar up and bar down should stay black. Bull candle, for like the basic type of candles, I make it for basic like what you normally see, green and red. So my bull candle will be green, my bear candle will be red. And then line chart color will be black. Yeah. And everything else just leave it the same. And then when you come back to your chart, it should look like this. You come back to your chart, it should look like that. And then one thing you should always have on, they won't have ask price on and trade levels on, but then your volumes and your period separators will be there. So it should be looking like something like this. I don't like the period separators and the volumes there, so I just remove those. I don't really use those. So what you just do is remove your period separator and your volumes, turn on your ask price and your trade levels, and then you should be good. And don't forget line chart, candlestick chart, or bar chart. You start really basic. I mean, universal like charting is just done on candlestick chart. So yeah. And then now, if you want to change certain stuff, like there's easier ways to go about analyzing the chart, which I'm going to show you right now. So if you rotate your screen, you might be thinking, okay, fine. So do I have to go to settings and all that to actually add objects? Like if you want to add a line, let me just go to a plain chart. USD CAD. Yeah. So you're asking yourself, but if I want to add stuff, you think you have to do this and add all that stuff. You don't really have to do that. I will just do this. You don't have to do that if you're adding objects. There's an easier way to do it. And if you really want to switch to line charts, the way we analyze off our line chart on our daily and everything, as you guys may know. So if you guys want an easy way to do that, unlike going here, then doing this, then doing that, then analyzing, then when you're done analyzing, you go back, do this, and go back to candlestick chart. There's a far easier way to do that than going through that long process. So what you just do is rotate your screen and tap on it once. If you want to switch to line chart, just click that. It will take you to your line chart. If you want to switch back, just click the bar chart, the candlestick chart, and it will take you back to the candlestick chart. And if you want to use the bar chart for some reason, which I don't know, you can just click that and it will give you the bar chart. So yeah, and then if you want to draw your lines, just click this right here, and then you can place it anywhere you want. So if you're using iOS, we have this option here, which is a quick trade option. So you just do is put your lot size, whatever lot size you want to use. It's a big demo account, so whatever. I'll just place a buy here. So just click buy, accept, then do it again. So now, as you can see, my order has been placed right there. So now, if you want to remove the quick trade thing, because maybe you want to tap something at the corner there and you don't want to press buy or sell, just remove it again. Just click the item again and it should disappear. Then your time frames on your left hand side. You got your 1 hour, you got your daily, 4 hour, weekly, monthly, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minute and your 1 minute. And you guys know that we suggest you trade from your 1 hour going upwards, so just avoid the lower time frames because it won't give you a bigger picture of the overall direction of the market. And yeah, when it comes to placing a stop loss, as you guys can see right here, I placed a buy. Let me just move on to daily time frame. As you guys can see right here, I placed a buy. So if I want my stop loss, if I want to put my stop loss, all I just do is I calculate my pips, which you should have taught you guys how to do. Then just place a line, click a line there, and then just add it on the screen. So you guys should obviously know that if you buy, your stop loss has to be below. If you sell, your stop loss has to be above. So I know my stop loss has to be above my buy point. Below my buy point. So if I want my stop loss to be right there, as you guys can see, right beside this line, there's a rate, which is 1.30651. So you just do is go here. You just tap in the values that you saw on that line, and your stop loss should come right on that line. Then same thing with the take profit. I want to put my take profit here at the top there. You look on the right side of the line, you have your values there again, which is 1.33683. So there you go. That shows you your stop loss and take profit. Then you can just delete the line afterwards. So yeah, that's basically it when it comes to using the platform. I think I've actually gone. Yeah, and then when you actually want to add indicators, we've got this. If you look at the top, like right under my time, there's like there's like 4 icons actually. There's the one for your time frames, which is this one. And then there's one written trade. This is to open new trades. And then in the center here, there's these 3. There's a crosshairs then there's the objects, then there's the F thing. So the one in the center is how to actually place your indicator. So what you just do is tap on it, go to main window, select which indicator you want to use. So there's many types of indicators. There's some that appear at the bottom, like there, and then there's some that appear on the chart, like which one? Looking for something like Ichimoku, but it's okay, there it is. So as you can see, this one appeared on charts, the other one appeared below the chart. So yeah, and if you want to remove the indicator, I know to remove the ones below chart, just hold the indicator at the bottom and press the X, then tap the screen again, it should be gone. But then these ones that are on chart, you just have to go to the indicator option, then just slide that way, then just press delete, then you should be done. And then another thing is how to close trades. So there's different ways to close trades actually. First way is the traditional way where you just press this, just slide, press the tick, and then you can close. Or you can just hold it and then press close. And then after that, after you press close, you have to press this close with loss of -15. So then in profit or loss, you can close either way. And then there's another way, which most people actually don't know, which is closing half lots. So what you can simply do, if your trade is running, you just swipe to the left and then click the tick. And then where it says close with loss of $14.85, what you simply do is, if you want to close half lots, in this case, half lots will be 0.25. So you just go to the lot size, clear it, then put 25. So now you're closing with a loss of what? $7.43. So if you close this, it will leave 0.25 running. So that's what's currently running at the moment. And then you can actually do it again. Like if you go further into profits, do it again, close 0.10. And now you're running with 0.15 lots. So yeah, I think that's basically it. And back to your history, as you guys can see, this is also on the custom history. Right here, we've got our daily history. So this is what happened today. It was $10 max today. So yeah, and then another thing you can actually do is this. Let me just close these trades for you. So that was on USD CAD. So another thing you can actually do is this. Let me just do random things here. USD JPY trades, and then okay, another thing that you can do is this. I've opened all these trades. I'm just going to close them. This is just for demonstration purposes. Close these. Yeah. Another thing you can actually do to like track your history with a certain pair, all you do is just go to history, and if you want to see like how successful you are with USD JPY or USD CAD, all you simply do is, where's just an enter symbol for search, just tap there and type in USD CAD, and then there you go. It shows you your history on USD CAD only. Same thing if you type any other pair. If you type in USD JPY search, it will show you your trades on USD JPY only. So that's a good way to track your record on a certain pair. Another thing I actually didn't mention is how to actually add and delete pairs. So if you want to add a currency pair, just go to this plus here, right on the right side of Waves and Advanced at the top there. So click the add symbol, then tap Forex, and then you can add whichever pairs you want to add. And then after that, they should all pop up here. Now if you want to delete, you just tap the edit button on the left side, far left top, and then just start clicking. So you can't delete USD CAD because it's the current graph that's open. So yeah, you just delete and then done. USD CAD is the only one that's open. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I might actually post some more stuff regularly. I hope to do that actually. But yeah, that's basically it for now. So thanks for watching and have a good day.